I need to seam these two big pieces of MDF together. I'm gonna spline them and then I'm gonna draw bolt them together so that they stay together tight. I'm gonna show you how I do it. First, we're gonna spline them. We have this 3/16 spline bit. Definitely protect your lungs. Now that we have the spline cut in there, we have to cut the spline. We're gonna put the spline in the groove. Now we're gonna connect the two pieces together. We have the spline connecting these two pieces together.